Did you have enough time to play?
Yeah.
Some of you didn't want to stop playing. But you knew it was a game, right? Don't you do that in real life? It's a game and you don't want it to stop. I'm gonna leave it just there. One of the most difficult things was to prepare for this event. And I guess it's difficult because I just realized that I want to share and I want to read. There's something here. I'm not like Jabulile. Jabulile sings, and when Lauren says I can't sing. I've just discovered that I'm a poet. I didn't know, so you can't blame me for reading out of the book and go like this. My heart shall not harbor any hatred. Even though I remember the heartache, I want to remain pure. I will not wish bad against you. I will hold no grudges. I am torn inside by the empty promises you made. Why was it so difficult for you to tell me the truth? Why did you even tell me lies when I was a complete stranger? What had I done to deserve a promise to heartache and disappointment? Had we perhaps met in our previous lives that you felt you needed to seek revenge? Tell me, what had I done wrong to deserve all the lies from the very first minute you started talking to me? You took my heart and dragged it down a dreadful road. My heart, forgive me for letting you down. It's my duty to love and protect you. But sometimes I let women and men, friends and enemies, take you and pull you apart. I'm so sorry, my heart. I love you. Please give me another chance to prove that I can take care of you. What will I tell my Creator if I don't fix things right now? My heart, I have been given another chance by the Creator. Please let me make it up to you. I promise to keep you happy. I can never tell what the future holds, but I promise you goodness and peace. My heart, I love you. I love you. Still arise. I rise. Arise, I rise. It was painful when he left me. It was sad when they all laughed at me. It is not fun to be embarrassed. It's not fun to have a team against you. But it is wonderful to have a team supporting you. Arise. Still, I rise. It is painful to be stabbed in the back. It is helpful to get up and move on. It is not easy to move on, but it is helpful to get up and try. It could have cost me my life, but it didn't.